Ever felt like you're stuck in a subscription black hole? Like, you signed up for something, it was great, life happened, and now you're staring at recurring charges wondering, how on earth do I make this stop? Yeah, me too. And today we're tackling a big one for a lot of you Housecall Pro. You're here because you're probably asking, how do I cancel my Housecall Pro account? Now let's be real. Housecall Pro is a powerful tool. It's designed to streamline your service business, from scheduling to invoicing. But things change. Maybe your business is scaling down, maybe you found a different solution, or maybe, just maybe, you're just not feeling it anymore. Whatever the reason, canceling should be straightforward, right? Unfortunately, it's not always as simple as clicking a delete account button, and that's where we come in. We're going to break down the process step by step so you can reclaim your time and your budget. No more mystery, no more frustration. Just clear, actionable steps. Before we dive into the how, let's acknowledge the context. Housecall Pro, like many SaaS platforms, is designed to keep you as a customer. They've built a robust ecosystem and they want you to stay. This means the cancellation process might not be as prominently displayed as you'd like. They might also offer alternatives, try to understand your reasons, and potentially offer a discount or pause instead of a full cancellation. All of which is business, but it can be frustrating if you're certain you want to cancel. So, let's get down to brass tacks. First, the most important thing, understanding your contract. Do you have a month-to-month subscription or an annual one? If you're on an annual plan, canceling might not immediately stop the charges. You'll likely retain access until the end of your billing cycle. This is crucial to know because you don't want to be surprised by continued charges. Okay, let's head to the Housecall Pro platform. Log in to your account. The first place to explore is your settings or account section. This might be located in the top right corner or within a menu on the left-hand side, depending on your version of the platform. Here's where things can get a little tricky. There's no guarantee that a cancel account button will be immediately visible. Often, the cancellation process is initiated by contacting their support team. This is a common practice for subscription services, as it allows them to gather feedback and attempt to retain customers. Now, if you can find a subscription or billing section within your settings, take a look. Sometimes there might be an option to downgrade your plan or pause your subscription. If you're not ready to completely cancel, these options might be worth considering. But if you're set on cancellation, you'll likely need to reach out to Housecall Pro support. Here's how to do that effectively. 1. Gather your information. Before contacting support, make sure you have your account details handy. This includes your account number, email address, and any other relevant information. This will help expedite the process. 2. Document your reasons. Be clear and concise about why you're canceling, whether it's due to budget constraints, changing business needs, or simply finding a better fit. Having your reasons prepared will help you communicate effectively. 3. Choose your communication method. Housecall Pro offers various support channels, including phone, email, and chat. Choose the method that best suits your preferences. If you prefer a written record, email or chat is ideal. 4. Be persistent and polite. Remember, the support team is there to help, but they also have a job to do. Be polite and respectful, but also be persistent in your request. If you encounter any roadblocks, don't hesitate to escalate the issue. Now, let's walk through the potential scenarios you might encounter when contacting support. Scenario 1. They offer a downgrade or pause. If you're not completely opposed to staying with Housecall Pro, consider their offer. A downgrade might reduce your costs, while a pause allows you to temporarily suspend your subscription without losing your data. Scenario 2. They ask for feedback. Be honest and constructive. Your feedback can help them improve their service for other users. Scenario 3. They process your cancellation. If they process your cancellation, make sure to request a confirmation email. This will serve as proof that your account has been canceled and that you won't be charged further. 4. They tell you there is a termination fee. If you are on an annual plan, you may be required to pay a termination fee. Ensure you understand the terms of your contract. Ask them for a breakdown of the fees and how they are calculated. 5. They tell you they cannot cancel it over chat or email and you must call. This is often the case. It is important to note down the time, date, and name of the representative you spoke with. After you've initiated the cancellation process, it's crucial to follow up. Check your billing statements to ensure that no further charges are incurred. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Housecall Pro support immediately. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid during the cancellation process. 1. Delaying the process. The longer you wait, the more you'll be charged. Don't procrastinate. Initiate the cancellation process as soon as you've made your decision. 2. Not reading the fine print. Always read the terms and conditions of your subscription. This will help you understand the cancellation policy and avoid any surprises. 3. Failing to document everything. Keep a record of all your communication with Housecall Pro support. This includes emails, chat logs, and phone call notes. This documentation can be invaluable if you encounter any issues. 4. Forgetting to remove payment information. Even after canceling your account, it's essential to remove your payment information from the platform. This will prevent any accidental charges. 5. Not checking for confirmation. As mentioned earlier, always request a confirmation email after canceling your account. This will serve as proof of cancellation. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're canceling because you're looking for a different solution, consider exploring other service management platforms. Research their features, pricing, and customer support to find a better fit for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.